Hi, and so this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change how to remove the background noise on CapCut website. So all you need to do, first of all, just go and open your browser and type CapCut.com and hit the enter button. That will not take you into this page if it's your first time. If it's your first time, they will take you into another page. On that page, you'll find two options. On the right, you'll find an option to download this on your PC. If you want, I advise you to do that, and you will find a video on the channel on how to do that exactly. So just go and check it out. And of course, if you click on the left side, which is starts using the CapCut application on a browser, they will ask you to log in into your account. If you log into your account, or if you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. You can create your account with the Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So once you actually did that or do that, you'll find yourself here at this page, and from here you can open some of recent projects if you worked on something recently maybe, or you can just go and click at black canvas as I'm going to do to create a new one. So once you click on that, you'll need to wait a bit until it loads. Of course, if you have it on your PC, download it. You'll not need to wait. It will be much faster and has more options than this browser. So of course, once you are here, you'll need to upload your video, your picture, whatever you're going to start editing out. Of course, probably gonna be a video. For me, I'm just going to upload a small video to show you how to remove the background noise of it. So of course, once it's uploaded, all you need just to go and drag it here into this editing area, and once it's actually here, you'll need to select it. So as you can see, sometimes it's not the video is not selected. So how to select the video? Just go and click on the video once or even twice. Anyway, just click on the video. So once you clicked on it, you'll find some options here at the top right corner, and from here you can just go and click at the audio option right here. Then you'll need to scroll down a bit, and as you can see, you'll find here the noise reduction. Make sure to enable this option, and that will certainly remove the background noise, and you will be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.